Are we gonna go to the park?
Yeah.
Yeah, are we gonna go? Yeah. Do you want to get your other slipper on? Bjorn's gonna be there.
Bjorn.
And Philip.
I don't know what you're saying.
Yeah, I don't know either.
Do you need to... Do you want to read this story sometime later tonight?
Do you want me to read it right now, really quick?
I did tell him we were on our way.
Fun! Marine life.
This is the short
Bugs.
version.
Raven world. Yay! That was a total rip-off.
Come on, Mattea, let's go.
Let's go.
We gonna go?
Let's get your shoes on.
What was that?
You gonna get your shoes on?
Okay, say bye to everyone. Bye. Wave. Can you wave? Nope.